Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating access and version. This matters because commands differ across releases. Once authenticated, capture running job ID and checkpoint locations so you can restore state if needed. Make a quick backup of HDFS and temp directories. Even a partial snapshot saves hours. Notify stakeholders and set a maintenance window so automated restarts won't interfere. Then, disable automatic retries to prevent jobs from spinning back up while you proceed with controlled termination in the next step. You now perform a controlled shutdown to avoid data loss and inconsistent state. First, invoke graceful driver stop via Spark context. Stop, or the cluster manager's graceful kill. This allows tasks to finish. Next, drain executors by decommissioning nodes or shrinking dynamic allocation so running tasks complete without new ones starting. Monitor application logs and metrics to confirm tasks finish and shuffle files flush. Make sure temporary storage and handlers free resources. If they don't, pause and diagnose before finalizing. You finish by validating termination and cleaning up. Check the cluster UI and resource manager to ensure the application is gone and memory/cores are reclaimed. Validate outputs by comparing checkpoint state, record counts, and checksums to catch silent corruption. Remove temporary shuffle and spill files once integrity is confirmed. Document the exact commands and timestamps you used. Troubleshooting tip: if jobs won't restart, inspect driver logs for class not found or dependency mismatches, and reconcile the class path before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.